Crab's scurrying around. Look at him. DVD quality. Look how quick he runs. Look at that, he wants to fight the GoPro. So what pack? Look at him. Check out the crab, guys. Gundy's got the crab. Gundy's got the crab. Well, that's a quick crab, bro. Crabbing around. Wow. Guys, hey guys, check this out. Melaleuca, paper bark. This stuff produces some of the softest leather when used in tanning leather. Beautiful stuff. Mind the noisy truck, stuff's getting done around here. But yeah, the old paper bark. Deep lost in Australian rainforest. Don't film that. This is like a campground thing around the town Iluka on the coast. Yeah, very lively place, very warm, full of people. I think starting to like come here for Christmas and do family stuff. Yeah. I don't know if it's showing on this GoPro, but me and Gundy are going down a very steep hill out in the middle of nowhere. It's so, like the angle for my GoPro to be normal is like here, and look at the steepness. Oh wow, like that's the proper angle right now. So look how steep. Oh wow. Sometimes you just gotta winch them out, eh, boys?
You're like, about time the winch works.
Yeah, I reckon. It didn't last long enough. What do you reckon? I'll be fairly safe here, eh? Oh, yeah, I was thinking you'll reverse the full drive, but no, don't need to.
I'm going to do is push it and then go over that side a little bit.
Yeah, smart. Good shape too, isn't it?
Now, what I'm going to do is set up. You pull on, huh?
Yep.
See if I go like this. Ready?
But I'm filming. No, I'm joking.
Here we go. Perfect.
Oh, I'll just hit myself with that.
Now, what we can do is push it around that and then pull it that way.
Yeah.
Can you pull that one?
Yep.
But I'm filming. I'm a famous YouTuber and I'm filming.
Oh yeah, God. Oh yeah, God. How's that? How much length do these things have normally? No, it's still going. Still going. How's that? I'm trying not to film your jocks that say jacked.
My jocks.
DVD experience. Oh, that's cool, bro. That's good, eh? See how it's created room over here for the full drive? Oh, wow. That's good there, bro, I reckon. Now we've got room. So next one is this other log. Look what it's come from, guys. Look at that tree right in the canopy. What a good friend Gundy is. He's allowing me to film and be annoying while he's doing all the work. I'm just doing what I can, all right? All right, I'm a YouTuber. Oh, it's a beautiful quartz on the road. Imagine we found gold, mate. Look at the quartz. Guys, good news, this one's in a two-part system, so we can remove it manually. Oh, my crock came off. Oh, you putting the winch away? Cool. Whew. Gundy. Nah, we should be all right. Just made a stop at the pools of Encino. No, they're not. But it's just, look at this cool water running, cascading down these rocks through this big crack, this big valley. Wow. This is so cool. Gundy, smile.
We might be out of the woods.
We might be out of the woods. Where GPS has taken on this big, long route. We went through some insane, obviously, as you guys have seen, we've gone through some insane places. It's not all captured, not even close.
Some of it we were just like, it took us up this logging trail
Yeah.
that was just like... it
Some of
was
those
like-
roads are so rough, like, all seriousness, I was holding Gundy's hand. I wasn't really. I'm just trying to get him in trouble. But no, I wasn't holding his hand. But you know, if I was a wicked man, I would have grabbed his hand. For sure. I said, Daddy, get me out of here. No, I wouldn't have. But yeah, you know what I mean.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah. Look at that, guys.
We're still alive. We're still kicking.
We're still alive.
We can keep going. Let's keep moving forward.